He was one of the most brilliant CIA operatives we ever had, until he went rogue. He was responsible for the deaths of multiple agents. This guy's just not going to walk into an American consulate without good reason.
So what's new in Cape Town?
I heard a slot open up.
One slot, 37 applicants. Every one of them with more field experience than you.
How am I supposed to get more experience than staring at four walls all day? This is Weston.
We have a last-minute reservation.
Oh, my gosh. That's Tobin Frost.
Kill all the surveillance cameras in this room.
Is this legal?
Go, 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 go!
Remember rule number 1, you are responsible for your house guest. I'm your house guest. They're here for me, but they want me alive. You they'll kill. Time's a wasting. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
Hey, hey!
Get in. You serious?
Yeah. Get in the truck!
The safe house has been compromised. Follow protocol.
Protocol! There's no protocol for this!
Who's after us and why?
I think you need to consider how your safe house was attacked in the first place. That house was a secure location. Whoever crashed it, they were invited. Someone told them, someone you know.
You're not gonna get in my head.
I'm already in your head.
Hands on the mausoleum floor. Blood stains the Coliseum floor.
So they're working together?
Even disguised as a beast.
I think Weston's turned.
I'm not your only enemy tonight.
Dad and money you can't keep, but we probably spend it all because the pain ain't cheap.
You can stay blind, or you can open your eyes.
I'm taking you in.
I want you to take me in.